Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Loop. I hope you are doing great today.
Hello, everyone. I'm Anya, and today we are not going to study grammar from a textbook.
That's right. We are going to learn English through a simple story. By the end of this conversation, you will understand how people naturally use be, do, and have in everyday English.
Ready? Let's begin.
Imagine it's a beautiful Sunday morning. I wake up early and look outside.
What do you see?
The sky is blue. The weather is nice. I am happy because today we are going to a book fair.
Listen carefully. Everyone. Yujil said, "The sky is blue." I am happy. We are going. We use be words when we talk about people, places, feelings, or what is happening.
Exactly. I call Anya.
My phone rings.
Hello, Anya. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. My bag is ready too.
Great. Let's go.
Before leaving home, my mother asks, "Do you have your wallet?"
I smile because that's a common question.
I check my bag. Yes, I have my wallet. I also have my phone and a water bottle.
Here have many times. We use it naturally when we talk about things we own or carry.
That's right. I have a backpack. Yujil has a notebook. We both have a plan for the day.
We walk to the bus stop.
Many people are waiting there.
I ask, do you know when the bus comes?
I don't know, so I ask another passenger.
Yes, it comes every 10 minutes.
Did you notice something?
Yes, we use do to ask a question. Do you know? I don't know. These are very common English sentences.
Finally, the bus arrives.
The bus is crowded, but we find 2 seats.
I ask, do you like reading books?
Yes, I do. I love storybooks.
Do you read every day?
Yes, I do. What about you?
Sometimes I do, but not every day.
See? We are simply talking. We are not thinking about grammar. We just use English naturally.
Soon we arrive at the book fair.
Wow, the place is beautiful. There are colorful books everywhere.
I am excited.
I am excited too.
We visit one stall after another.
I find an English storybook.
Do you want to buy it?
Yes, I do. It looks interesting.
I also find a dictionary.
Do you have enough money?
Yes, I have enough.
Perfect. Another natural use of have.
After shopping, we sit in a small cafe.
The coffee is hot, and the sandwiches are fresh.
I ask, how do you learn new English words?
I watch videos, I read books, and I practice every day.
Do you speak English with your friends?
Yes, I do. Even if I make mistakes, I keep speaking.
That's the secret. Don't be afraid.
Before going home, we check our bags.
I have 2 books.
I have 3 books.
We are tired, but we are happy.
We had a wonderful day.
And without studying grammar rules, we used English again and again.
Let's remember today's story.
We used be to talk about feelings, people, places, and what was happening.
The best way to learn English is not to memorize rules all day.
Learn through stories. Listen every day.
Make mistakes, smile, and continue learning.
Speak every day. That's all for today's lesson.
We hope you enjoyed this English story.
If you liked it, don't forget to practice these sentences in your daily life.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
See you in the next English Loop lesson.
Bye, everyone.